My name is Loida Nicolas Lewis. I am the chair of the U.S. Pinoys for Good Governance. And I'm calling on all global Filipinos who are living outside of the Philippines, because our country is faced with a huge challenge. And what is it? China, the sleeping dragon, has awakened, and they need oil. And where will they find the oil? And where have they found the oil? It is right within the Philippine boundaries of territorial waters. In the past 6 months, there has been activities within 125 nautical miles from the shore of Palawan that China is coming in, I think, and not only I think, because we have great amounts of oil near Palawan. So what is this? They're coming in with their oil rig that is being built in Shanghai, $1 billion oil rig, and they're going to move it, they say, on a cruise to Singapore. Why not to Europe? Or why not to Hawaii? Because they found, and unfortunately for us, we didn't know it, that there is oil within the Palawan waters. So what is this really? It is an invasion. It is an intrusion. It is an appropriation of land and oil that belongs to the Philippines. So I'm calling on all global Filipinos outside of the Philippines, because in the Philippines, they are so connected to China. Tayo lang na nalabas ng Pilipinas ang merong independent voice, and we are not dependent but on our own to say the truth. And the truth is, China is a bully. China is about to steal oil within our territorial waters. And even if they say it was in our map 700 years ago, that's no longer valid. And so this that they want to do is build or put up an oil rig, the largest or one of the largest in the world, right in our waters. Tayong mga Filipino, kumakanta tayo ng Bayang Magiliw, and part of that is sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisiil. Here is a manlulupig. Here is a bully of China that is about to rape our country, Mother Filipinas. So, there is a call to action. We are going to rally in front of the Chinese embassy in Washington, D.C., in front of the Chinese consulate in New York, Chinese consulate in San Francisco and Chicago. And if you are out there, if you are enraged just as I am, please call the community leaders and find out what is the China consulate in your province, in your country, in Toronto, in Vancouver, in Paris, in Italy, Rome, and all over the world na merong global Filipinos. Let us stand up for our country and fight. Fight with placards. Fight with words. But we are like David. Let us sharpen that stone with a slingshot and hit it to Goliath, China. And you know how that story won. David won. So, mga kaibigan, tayo'y kumakanta, aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Tayo'y inaapi ng isa nating neighbor na napakayaman, at dahil sa akala nila napakamaraming silang pera, tatapakan tayo, nanakawin ng oil sa Palawan. Di pwede! And we don't have to die. Hindi na dapat tayong mamatay. Dapat tayong tumindig at ipaglaban ang ating inang bayang Pilipinas. Salamat po.